Good afternoon to the community of divisions around the world, and also good morning, good evening to you wherever you are listening to this broadcast anywhere around the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olonoluwa Inde, also known as Sapphire Jua, one of the economic developer in the community. A quick one, guys. Today is the 23rd of July. We have just 9 days to go for the promo to end. 1,000 TBC for payment of annual fee. Guys, this is a lifetime opportunity, a lifetime offer. Don't trade it for anything. Do all in your possible best to ensure that you key into this opportunity. Guys, guess what? Go out, talk to one or two people. Two people. When they pay, you can use your own referral bonus to pay your own. Simple. That's how simple it is. So it's not compulsory you go and cover all the money from your pocket. Go out, talk to one person, talk to the second person, and when they pay, when they register and pay for the annual fee, then you have enough points to make your own registration. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. It is a lifetime opportunity. Yes, TBC is getting better day by day. So, came to this opportunity and get 1,000 TBC. And guys, guess what? When you key into this, by August, you will be given additional 1,000 TBC again. And also, don't forget, you will always get your 100 TBC coins every month for the next 1 year. You have access to submit all the keywords for the week. You have enough opportunity and abundance for enough coins to come into your wallet. So guys, take up this opportunity. Time is running. Time is running. Be in the forefront. Love you guys. I want you to like this broadcast, share to your loved one, subscribe to it for subsequent broadcasts. Thank you all. Cheers. TBC, my birthright.